Didn't want to miss this elevator.
Damn, girl.
Hi. Didn't want to miss this elevator.
Damn, girl.
This video is sensation on social media. This girl is Rashmika Mandanna, South Indian actress. With the help of AI, somebody made this video. So AI is very dangerous, guys. And this kind of technology can be dangerous for many people. You can see the tweet of Rashmika Mandanna. She was also shocked to see this video. So in this video, we'll teach you how you can protect yourself and how you can get to know about who made this video. And I will also teach you nowadays how easy to make this kind of deepfake videos on the internet with the help of AI. So stay tuned, watch till the end. So firstly, you will have to play that video and you will have to take the screenshot. After taking a screenshot, you will have to come to this website, images.google.com. I'll give the link in the description. Here you will have to click on this icon and upload the image. So you will have to upload the screenshot here. So upload a file. So see, I uploaded the screenshot of that video. So you can see so many people have uploaded it on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. You can get to know who uploaded first and you can file complaint against them. So you can save yourself from this kind of deepfake videos. So now I'll show you how easy to make this kind of deepfake videos nowadays. So firstly, you will have to open Google Chrome and you will have to search a cool AI. So you will have to open the first website, acool.com. So this kind of interface will come. Tools, click face swap. So here you will have to upload the video file. So I'll use this video. So I'll upload the file. Now it's uploading. So you will have to wait for a few seconds.
A few minutes later.
My video got uploaded. I will swap the face with Anupam Kher. So you will have to upload the image of that person. So I'll upload the Anupam Kher image. So here you will have to choose file. So see, I uploaded this person. So you can see in the video they have directed 3 faces. So one by one you will have to select it and you will have to choose this person as a face swapper. Then again click here, choose this person, click here, choose this person, go down and click high quality face swap.
5 minutes later.
Then click result and see the video is ready. You can just download it from here. So this is so dangerous, guys. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed.